here at the Bartlett Innovation Unit, currently in the process, trying to become more self-sustainable. We're utilizing resources found in the kitchen as well as recycled resources in order to build our garden. The items that are going to be grown here are going to be helped to feed this unit. We're also going to be introducing a hydroponics and an aquaponics system, as well as traditional farming methods. These are just some of the various seeds that we're going to end up growing. We have chives, we have beets, we have garden beans, onions, carrots. These are just some of the varieties of things that we're going to try to grow. Here's going to be our herb garden. This is where all of this stuff is going to go into the kitchen and for competition. Right here, this is the celery that we got from the chow after Thanksgiving and Christmas. We were able to take the butt ends, soak them in water, and they'll reestablish roots. Then you transplant them into the soil and they'll regenerate themselves. So the lifestyle here at the Bartlett unit, we're gearing things more towards being reintegrated into the world and being reunited with our families. The morale level here is much higher. The interaction with the officers and the administration here is much better. We're extremely grateful for that. So we're just trying to take this one day at a time and make the best of our opportunities.